From the lush rainforest to the icy polar regions, animals are more than just fascinating creatures. Many of them serve as critical indicators of the health of our ecosystems. Before we jump into this intriguing topic, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel Global Fact Trends to stay informed about wildlife and conservation efforts. In the tapestry of life, frogs occupy a unique and crucial niche. These amphibious creatures, with their permeable skin and dependence on both aquatic and terrestrial environments, serve as sensitive barometers of environmental change. Their very existence hinges on a delicate balance, making them particularly vulnerable to even subtle shifts in their surroundings. Frogs, with their permeable skin, act as living sentinels, absorbing substances from their environment, both the life-sustaining and the harmful. This remarkable characteristic makes them particularly susceptible to pollutants in the water and on the ground. Pesticides, heavy metals, and other toxins can easily permeate their skin, accumulating in their bodies and disrupting their delicate biological processes. A decline in frog populations often serves as an early warning signal, alerting us to the presence of these invisible threats in our ecosystems. Beyond pollution, frogs are also highly sensitive to habitat destruction and alteration. As wetlands disappear, forests are fragmented, and urbanization encroaches upon their natural habitats. Frog populations dwindle. Monitoring frog populations goes beyond simply counting their numbers. It involves a closer look at their health and behavior. Scientists carefully examine frogs for signs of deformities, diseases, and parasites, all of which can indicate environmental stressors. Fluttering through meadows and forests, butterflies are more than just a feast for the eyes. They are sensitive indicators of environmental change. Their presence, abundance, and diversity reflect the intricate balance of nature and the impact of human activities. Butterflies, with their intricate life cycles and specialized feeding habits, are intimately connected to their host plants. Their caterpillars rely on specific plant species for sustenance and survival. The availability and health of these host plants are influenced by factors such as habitat quality, pesticide use, and climate change. A decline in butterfly numbers may indicate a loss of suitable habitat, the degradation of plant communities, or the disruption of delicate ecological relationships. Butterflies are highly sensitive to changes in temperature and precipitation, making them important indicators of climate change. As temperatures rise and weather patterns shift, butterfly ranges may shift, expanding in some areas and contracting in others. Monitoring butterfly populations involves more than just counting their numbers. It requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of their ecological roles. Scientists and citizen scientists alike participate in butterfly surveys, carefully recording the species observed, their abundance, and their distribution. In the bustling world of pollinators, bees reign supreme, their tiny bodies carrying the weight of entire ecosystems on their delicate wings. These industrious insects play a crucial role in the reproduction of countless plant species, including many of the crops that sustain us. Their presence, or lack thereof, serves as a powerful indicator of environmental health. Bees, with their intricate relationship with flowering plants, are highly sensitive to changes in their environment. Their foraging behavior, reproductive success, and overall health are intimately linked to the availability of nectar and pollen, the quality of their habitat, and the presence of environmental stressors. The decline in bee populations, often attributed to factors such as habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change, has far-reaching implications for ecosystems and human societies alike. Bees are essential pollinators for a vast array of plants, including many fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Monitoring bee populations is crucial for understanding the extent of their decline and identifying the factors driving it. Scientists employ a variety of methods to study bees, from traditional hive inspections to sophisticated genetic analyses. In the intricate web of life that connects our rivers, lakes, and oceans, salmon stand as remarkable indicators of environmental health. These anadromous fish, born in fresh water, migrating to the ocean, and returning to their natal streams to spawn, embody a remarkable journey that reflects the interconnectedness of our planet's ecosystems. Their presence, abundance, and the challenges they face serve as powerful indicators of the health of our waterways and the impact of human activities. Salmon, as they migrate between freshwater and marine environments, are exposed to a wide range of environmental stressors. Their life cycle, spanning diverse habitats, makes them particularly vulnerable to changes in water quality, habitat availability, and climate conditions. The decline in salmon populations in many parts of the world is a cause for concern, highlighting the urgent need for conservation efforts. Overfishing, habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change have all taken a toll on these iconic fish. Their decline not only disrupts delicate food webs, but also has significant cultural and economic implications for communities that rely on salmon for sustenance and livelihoods. Monitoring salmon populations involves a multifaceted approach, combining traditional ecological knowledge with cutting-edge scientific techniques. Scientists track salmon migrations, assess their spawning success, analyze their genetic diversity, and study the complex interactions between salmon and their environment. In the vast, icy expanse of the Arctic, polar bears reign supreme, their imposing presence a testament to nature's ability to thrive in even the harshest of environments. These apex predators, perfectly adapted to a life on ice and snow, have become iconic symbols of the Arctic. But their very existence is threatened by the unprecedented changes unfolding in this fragile region. Polar bears, with their specialized diet and reliance on sea ice for hunting, are uniquely vulnerable to climate change. As temperatures rise and sea ice shrinks, polar bears face a diminishing hunting ground, their primary prey, seals, becoming increasingly inaccessible. The consequences of this habitat loss are dire, leading to nutritional stress, reduced reproductive success, and increased mortality rates. The plight of polar bears serves as a stark reminder of the far-reaching impacts of climate change. Monitoring polar bear populations is crucial for understanding the extent of their decline and informing conservation efforts. Scientists employ a variety of methods to study these elusive creatures, from aerial surveys to track their movements to analyzing their DNA to assess their genetic diversity. In the symphony of nature, birds provide a vibrant and ever-changing chorus, their songs and calls reflecting the health and vitality of the ecosystems they inhabit. From the soaring raptors to the tiny songbirds, birds serve as sensitive indicators of environmental change, their presence, absence, or changes in their populations, revealing the intricate connections within our natural world. Birds, with their diverse life histories, feeding habits, and habitat requirements, are highly sensitive to environmental changes. Their populations can fluctuate dramatically in response to factors such as habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and disease outbreaks. By monitoring bird populations, scientists can track these changes and gain a better understanding of the overall health of our ecosystems. The decline of certain bird species, particularly those specialized to specific habitats or facing multiple threats, serves as a warning sign of broader environmental problems. Bird monitoring programs, often involving citizen scientists, play a crucial role in tracking bird populations and identifying areas of concern. These programs rely on the observations of bird watchers and other volunteers who collect data on bird sightings, abundance, and distribution. Beneath our feet, in the hidden world of soil, earthworms toil tirelessly, their unassuming presence playing a vital role in maintaining the health and fertility of our planet. These subterranean creatures are essential indicators of soil health, their abundance and diversity reflecting the condition of this vital resource upon which all terrestrial life depends. Earthworms, as they burrow through the soil, act as nature's tillers, aerating the soil, improving its structure, and enhancing its ability to retain water and nutrients. Their feeding habits, consuming organic matter and breaking it down into simpler compounds, contribute significantly to nutrient cycling, making nutrients more available to plants. A healthy earthworm population is a sign of a healthy soil ecosystem. Intensive agriculture, with its reliance on tilling, pesticides, and monoculture cropping, can have detrimental effects on earthworm populations. Tillage disrupts their burrows and exposes them to predators, while pesticides can directly harm or kill them. Monitoring earthworm populations is essential for assessing soil health and guiding sustainable land management practices. Scientists use a variety of methods to study earthworms, from simple hand sorting techniques to more sophisticated molecular methods for species identification. As we've journeyed through the animal kingdom, from the vibrant wings of butterflies to the silent toil of earthworms, one resounding message emerges. These 7 animals are not just part of our planet's rich biodiversity, they serve as crucial indicators of environmental health. By understanding their status, we can take proactive steps to address environmental issues and protect our ecosystems. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, countless creatures hold valuable clues about the health of our planet. By paying close attention to these indicators, we can better understand the impacts of our actions and work towards a more sustainable future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our channel Global Fact Trends to keep the conversation alive.